they're starting to light. You can see retracting the last little thing.
There you go.
And all of England counting down, all of the UK getting ready for launch. Here we go.
There's the ignition.
Lighting.
They're the main boosters.
Here we go. And exactly
Just waiting for lift off.
You're going to see these fall away as the vehicle starts to pull itself away from her.
And we have
And
liftoff.
Tim's away!
Big cheer. So we've got live pictures from inside the capsule, which you can see there on the split screen. So this is the live image. And you see the vibration you talked
You
about.
can see how hard the acceleration is by how this little floating thing is being shaken by the acceleration. Tim's got a window just to his right, and right now it's covered by the aerodynamic shroud, but as soon as you're above the air, you don't need that streamlining anymore, so it splits like a big clamshell, and then
There he is.
you can see out the window.
Tim Peake there. That's Major Tim Peake
Tim.
there.
He's a live
There's
image.
Tim right now.
Oh, and there's that the prod that you
But as
used
you
to
can
change
see, Tim is focused on what's happening inside. He's got 6 months to look out the window. So even though that's space appearing out the window, he's focused as a crew member on flying his rocket.
And we should say, just to get some sense of the power, they're already...
There's a thumbs up.
Of 25
A thumbs up
Right.
there from Tim Peake.
He's giving us a
Hey,
wave. Hello, Tim.
These pictures coming to you live from the Soyuz capsule.
I don't know if you can hear me, you're watching on television, but there was a huge cheer from all the children there when Tim gave us a wave. It's a wonderful thing, isn't it? So he looks very relaxed.
Yeah, and the load on them is getting heavier. It's as if someone is slowly pouring more and more sand on your body. As the vehicle
Oh, we
accelerates.
can see the limb of
harder
the
and
Earth there through the window, actually.
If you look, you can see the sky is going from light blue to dark blue to black.
Basically seeing the edge of space, I presume, here.
That's right. We define it as 100 kilometers up, and they're almost there right now. He's almost at the legal definition. He can put that in his logbook now